Hi guys, so I am in the car. I'm doing a little mini travel vlog. My job actually shut down for the 4th of July. I'm heading to Alexandria, VA, where my cousin stays, close to the DMV area. So yeah, let's go. I actually made it to my first charging station, my only charging station. I only had to stop one time and charge. This charging station is actually at a gas station. I normally only see charging stations like at a Target or off by themselves. I do kind of want to take a nap while I'm charging. I'm a little skeptical about that though, but I am tired. So long, I am finally here. Woo! It's been a long time coming, y'all. Long time coming. Let me park this car. Yes, I'm finally here. Okay, y'all will get to meet my cousin, my lovely cousin. I love her so much. Hey guys, please don't mind my hair. I'm trying to bring the energy. We actually woke up really late today, like at 1 or 12 o'clock. I don't remember the exact time. We just not too long ago went out and got moles, and we were eating it and watching movies and stuff, so we're chilling. We were supposed to go to the MGM tonight, but the way I'm feeling really lazy. So we'll see. Stay tuned to see if I even make it out any time today. I don't know. I might not for my first day. I am exhausted from work and then also the drive up. It kind of just drained me, so I was feeling kind of lazy. Please don't mind these rollers. We curled them last night before I went to bed. There's a bump coming on my chin, y'all. I just don't know what's going on right now. Just stay tuned and see what the rest of this vlog, this trip brings. And yeah. Okay, so we are officially out for today. Today is the second day here in the DMV area. We actually didn't do much yesterday. We were supposed to go to the what's it called, Yana? The MGM. I don't know why I can't remember that. But we're heading out now, so y'all join me on this journey exploring DC. We chilled yesterday, kind of like a rest day, but today we're outside. Alright, we are walking the streets of DC. We actually just parked over there. Probably can't see the car, but whatever. We're about to go to the African American Art Museum. I have been to a few museums up here already, but this will be my first time going to the African American Art Museum. Do you want to say hey? My cousin. Y'all finally get to see her. So yeah, let's go. My cousin tripping. She got me on this 20-minute walk. It's hot outside. I got on a full face of makeup and a lace. I'm dying, y'all.
It's not even hot.
I am dying. I probably won't. I ain't even in the mood to record no more. So if you don't get no more footage, that's what. We made it to our destination. I don't know if y'all can hear me. I might need to back up. We made it to our final destination, finally. I didn't pass out or die yet, but we still got another 20-minute walk to walk back, so I might pass out on the way back. Who knows? Any words?
Child for that hot outside.
So we just ordered our food. We're waiting for it to come, so I will show y'all my food when it comes. You know, black people always gotta record their food for whatever reason. Okay, this is my plate. Hopefully you can hear me. My cousin's plate. This is a lot of food on her plate, y'all. Today, but that corn was on another level. It was bust. You hear me? Bust and bust. Everything else was like a
It's kind of good, but it depends where you eat. I mean, I could have got better and did better. Shit, they be they like, baby, they need some sea salt, some paprika, some onion powder.
We need to get out of here because she acting up, y'all. Finally a few minutes away from the car. Just about all day. Came to the house, did a little wardrobe change, not much, because as you can see, I got on a graphic tee. She does too.
Oh, dirty bastard.
We are about to go to the MGM. Let's go. We're finally back in the house. About to take it in. Thought the Popeyes, so we eating Popeyes. This is a fish sandwich. And it's good too. Y'all go to Popeyes. They honey on their fries is the bomb. Bustin'. Now I see y'all 3. We are headed to the spa. It's probably like 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon right now, so I'll see y'all when we get there. Around like 8, 9 o'clock-ish. I can't remember, but we just left to get something to eat and we're heading back to the house. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, we are officially on the move. I'm in the car. My cousin had to run back in for something. This is my last day, which I'm not sure if this is day 4, day 5. Honestly, I don't know. But we are heading out. We are going to go to a few museums today, and watch the fireworks. So it'll be my first time actually seeing the fireworks here in DC for the first time, because I'm excited. By the way, happy 4th of July. By the time y'all get this video, I don't know what day it will actually be or what month, because I do have other vlogs to post before this one, so you might get this one way after the 4th of July. But anyway, happy 4th of July. Y'all be safe, enjoy yourselves. Yeah, so let's go. So I am on the metro for the first time. We are heading into DC. She decided to do the metro today because she said it was going to be really, really packed and there won't really be no good parking. So we're on the metro. Got a metro card, y'all. Look at me. Got done eating. We're gonna get on the, I guess I would call it a bus, but what is it called?
It's a streetcar.
Streetcar, right? Because we tired of walking. It's hot. She got me out here walking again, y'all. Again.
It's hot.
So we'll see y'all on our next stop. So we have made it. We laid out our little blanket and we're sitting here waiting for the fireworks. They start at 9 and it is like 7 something right now, but it is packed out here. Probably can see a lot of people behind me and a lot of people in front of us as well. So yeah. Over with. I had to find some good lighting. It was chaos, traffic, people everywhere, so I tried not to do too much recording because we needed to get where we was going. We're in a car about to get us something to eat, you guys, and this will be the end of this vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll see y'all next time. See you later.